What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP USD from the lower time frame, we can find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade British pound US dollar. First of all, let's look at monthly perspective to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP USD after back-to-back 4 months bullish move. This month, the price after opening the market tested the half of the previous monthly week and then strongly rejected. Now, after this kind of strong impulse, we can expect now the price to go ahead and test at least 38.2% Fibonacci level or even breaking this low for a deeper retracement from the higher time frame perspective. As historically GBP USD is a bearish market. Now we can expect now slowly GBP USD to turn into a bearish market to complete a significant Fibonacci level. So from the monthly perspective, we do have a possibility for GBP USD to drop further. Looking at weekly time frame, we see that British pound US dollar from the weekly perspective with this double top formation, the price has rejected with this long bearish engulfer followed by narrower weekly doji. Now this week what we have seen so far, the price has broken the weekly high and created an overextended market to the upside, and again we see that GBP USD has dropped, rejected to the downside. Now at this point we see GBP USD where it is in a support zone. Also at the same time, as you can see from lower higher time frame perspective, we see it's kind of forming a head and shoulder pattern for possible further drop to the downside. So from the higher time frame perspective, we have a probability for GBP USD to continue to drop. Now looking at daily, now this is the daily price action we see on GBP USD. We see a typical change of trend. First of all, from the bigger picture, you see there's a double top here, and also on the daily perspective we see a head and shoulder pattern, and then with this daily impulse the price has broken out of this head and shoulder, this big impulse, and the price finally tested the neckline of this head and shoulder, this support zone here, testing as resistance, and we have seen that a clean retest of this support as resistance, and we saw a strong rejection from this previous support turning resistance on GBP USD, followed by previous day we have seen another wave of drop in this market. Now today, once the market open, we see that GBP USD from this zone slowly now going up for a deeper retracement. Now, if we closely look at, we see that there is a strong selling pressure in this zone according to our strategy. Now we see this is where there is the previous day there is a bearish candle from this daily 20 period moving average. Looks like that GBP USD created this reversal pattern, has broken down. Now it is changing its long-term uptrend to a long-term downtrend. So where we can find suitable entry opportunity in that aspect. Now if we look at the for the lower time frame from the 4 hour perspective, we see that after grabbing liquidity during this news from this resistance level, we have seen this is a big impulse on GBP has broken all this level of support. Now today we have seen slower movement to the upside, which is healthy in a trending market. What we can expect now, what I think that GBP at some point we could see a retest of this 20 EMA as a resistance, and also at the same time if you closely look at that there is a neckline of, or also there is a on the 4 hour, if you close, there is a head and shoulder has broken down from this head and shoulder, creating a level of support here which is turning resistance here with this 20 EMA. So from that level, what I think that at some point we could see a retest of this previous support turning resistance, and from this zone we can expect GBP to give us a potential trading opportunity. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on GBP to take this move to the downside, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBP. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.